Simba, stop. Get in the thing with me. Look. Love me, Simba, love me. Don't you want to be in the thumbnail? You're so cute. People love looking at you. Come on, look. Let's be in the thumbnail together. Look at that.
Bruh.
Fine. Kids. Welcome to my living room. Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a home vlog. Can you guys hear me? With the AC in the background, because I ain't turning it off. Today, we are gonna be doing a home vlog, and I'm finally gonna be making over some things in the house that are long overdue. We've got like 3 different projects that we're gonna tackle today. We've got living room projects, entryway projects, and office projects. Oh, and then actually there's something I wanna do in the kitchen too. So this isn't like a makeover video, but I am making over little moments in the house. So I thought, why not show the people what I'm doing? You know, not everybody always has a huge makeover budget, and that's totally okay, but we all are capable of making over little tiny vignettes, little spaces around our house to make it feel more homey and to get out that kind of creative bug a lot of us have. So first is where we're at right now, the living room. I wanna make over my bar because right now it's feeling a little bit chaotic, like it's all over the place. I want it to be a little more sexy, you know, a little bit more bachelor night, a little more styled, just a little more sexy than it's looking right now. I went and I picked up a tray to corral my things because I think that's what's missing. Anyways, let me show you. Okay, so right now I'm feeling like this is a little too cluttered. I really want to elevate it, make it feel a little fancier, you know, a little cooler. I don't like all of these board games here, and I also have all these glasses up here. So I was thinking I would make the bar its own area. I also bought some adhesive mirror tiles from IKEA. You guys actually saw me use these mirror tiles in my sister's apartment makeover. I used them in her bar area, and I was like, I have to do that for my bar. So I'm gonna stick them on the back wall and give the illusion that the back of the bar or the unit has mirrored glass. I considered smoking it out and going for this look, but I'm too lazy, and as you guys know,
I don't wanna work anymore.
So first things first, we gotta clear out this entire cabinet so that we can stick on the glass to the back wall. I have these tiles from IKEA. They come with an adhesive that you could just stick to the wall. Last time I checked, these adhesive strips were pretty strong, so I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with them falling off the wall. Anytime you have a lot of little items, it's really good to get stuff to organize it so it looks more styled and less cluttered. Organize all of your items into a little tray. That always looks so much better than having everything spread around. I have this riser that I thrifted years ago that we can find a way to use. And then I got this green tray that I thought we could find something to style in it. Maybe some of the drinks. I don't think it's gonna hold the liquor bottles very well. But yeah, we can find something small enough to organize in this tray. It's gonna make this look so much better and more intentional. I didn't get enough. I should have got 2. There's a space up there and then a space down here. And I definitely need to wipe the glass off now.
Sentimental feelings I'm watching. Maybe it's not real, you're missing. And now you feel it coming. See, I
It looks a lot more styled now. It looks a little cuter than it did before. This is the after. Everything is in a tray and it looks a lot neater. Now, I didn't have enough of the glass mirror, so that's looking a little bit interesting. So I do need to order a second pack. Something told me to do it. I was just being cheap and I was like, I don't want to spend money on two. So I felt like I would have enough room, but I really don't. So I do need to get one more pack of the glass panels. So I collect bottle openers, and this one, I love a good seafood boil. So I thought this was so cute, and I just thought it was very interesting, like this pattern that's on it. It's like a fabric. This one I actually got with you guys thrifting in Pittsburgh. I got it at Brenda Friday Design Shop. This I thrifted years ago. I went thrifting with my mom and we saw this and we thought it was hilarious. It's a bottle opener and like a corkscrew. So that was pretty funny. So this is probably one of my favorites. I have a key to the cabinet, the liquor cabinet in here. This one I think I saw at like Home Goods or something. I remember it was on sale and I got it for like $5. So I thought it was cute. And then this, last but not least, is actually from my personal collection. They're handcrafted and imported from Africa. You guys can purchase them on my website. And here is a little coaster that I got on a trip to New Orleans, but on the back is actually a recipe. 2 ounces of herb saint, 2 ounces of water or soda water, half teaspoon of sugar or simple syrup. Combine ingredients in a tall glass filled with cracked ice, stir well. So yeah, I really liked this drink and they were like, oh yeah, the recipe's on the back. So I just keep this because it reminds me of my trip there. We went for my sister's 40th birthday. All right, so welcome to my entryway. I don't know if you guys can see my rug. I got this rug from World Market maybe like 6 months ago now. I don't think it's been that long. It was the only rug they had there, and I really wanted a rug for this hallway makeover, but it wasn't my first choice, but it was the only choice, so I ended up getting it. But if you watched my Anthropologie outlet video, you guys saw that I found a nice green and pink runner, and I think that that is just going to really highlight the green lime wash on the walls. So we're going to actually roll that out, and I think I want to take this rug and put it into the kitchen, and then we're going to stay in the kitchen because I got a couple updates I want to do in there too. So this rug, so cute. I absolutely love the green. It really just makes this hallway pop. It really brings new life to the wall, to the hall. And I really like the green and the rug and the pink. I think the pink really brings out the green because they're complementary colors. This just looks so much better. It looks so much more made for this space. I'm gonna show you guys one more time. I think that it works nicely. And then I think this one works really nicely too in here. It adds a little bit more warmth to the kitchen and it's the perfect size. I love it. Now for the kitchen. Here is my utensil holder. It's this rinky-dink little plastic thing. It's always toppling over and falling because I not only put the utensils that came with it in there, but I also put the ones that I use every day, the metal ones, and they're just too heavy for this plastic container. So I thought we could level up the space just a little bit more and get a nice container for these utensils. So I actually went to Home Goods this morning and I found the perfect utensil holder. It has the perfect height and it also has this nice wide space in the middle. It's just as wide, actually more wide than the one that I already have, which is good because I can put more utensils in there. So let's go ahead and style this. I also have this lamp from my room. I want to see if I can find a light bulb to put in here so that we can have a little bit of an ambiance in the kitchen in the evening time. Okay, so we are in the last room that we're going to do updates on. This one is a little bit of a bigger project. I've got, actually, I'll show you. I've got these vision boards that I want to put up. I don't know where though. I have this to-do calendar, which I'm so excited about because I love writing out what I need to do and seeing it. I'm a very visual person, so I definitely want to put this up. But I also have this. It says Juju Home on it, and I thought this would be really cool to hang up. So I got this a few months ago. I actually got it for my vendor events. I was just doing too much. I was trying to go over the top with my booth design, and when it came down to it, the tent and some tables did the trick. So I didn't end up using it. So it's been stored in my garage, but I was going to do this office, and I was like, oh my gosh, I should actually put this up. Only thing is, I don't know how I'm going to fit all this stuff in this area. So let's see if we can make all of these things fit, because I don't know if we can, but let's try. Yeah, like you see how this is like only covering like one half? I kind of want to put this on one half and the to-do board on the other half. Obviously, it would look much cuter with it just centered, but I don't know. Let me just lean it up and see if I can get both of them to fit. I don't know if I can. Will it be crowded? Yes, but I would want both of them. So. Right about here. All right, so we have the sign up, we have the vision board up, and we have the calendar up. I like it. I don't know how I feel about the vision board, but I'm gonna keep it up for right now. I think it's important to look at it every day. Alright guys, that was a successful day of housework. We got a lot of projects done, and I'm so happy with how everything turned out. I'm actually really excited to work in my office now. It's looking kind of cute. If you have not seen my balcony makeover, I'll make sure to link that after this video. Check it out. That's another recent makeover that I did. Anyways, I love you all so much, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye!